Hello everyone, my name is Victor Ho from OrangeTee and Thai in alliance with AAG and A8 Division. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm very excited to share with you this gorgeous property, eCO at Bedok South, that's available for sales now. Let us take a quick tour for you to find out more. eCO is located along Bedok South Avenue 3. It is a short walk to Tanah Merah MRT and Block 58 Wet Market, where you will find all the nice food and shops. It is really situated in a very convenient location. eCO comes with full condo facilities. It has beautiful and well-maintained tropical landscape and pond. It is so calming and relaxing. A perfect living environment where you can soothe your body and soul after a long day of work. Not only that, you have over 10 pools to choose from, either for recreational dips or some serious workout. Let's check out this apartment itself. Here you are. This 97 square meter condo is very spacious. Look at the regular shaped hall. It is so easy to design and place your furniture. The distance between the walls, they are so wide apart. It can easily fit in a big TV or projector, and you can place a good sized sofa set. The balcony is perfectly sized for you to create your own oasis, be it a small garden, alfresco dining by placing an outdoor dining set, or you can even consider doing a zip track to enhance and expand your living space. There are just so many possibilities that you can create for this apartment. Here we have a modern and well-equipped kitchen that has a sliding door that you can enclose it when you are doing some serious cooking. At the same time, the glass wall illuminates the hall and give you a feel of a modern home. Now let's check out the rooms. Hope you like what we have seen. This apartment is priced attractively to sell. You have a chance to own this nice apartment. Don't make a move. Call me now to view. I'm just a phone call away.
AAG, the #1 top division in Orange Tea and Thai.